One of the most affordable and easiest ways to create e-learning programs, online courses, and virtual trainings is by using screen capture software. The problem is there are dozens upon dozens of screen capture software options out there. So today we're not only going to teach you the best screen capture software for training videos, we're also going to outline the 5 reasons why this piece of software is the best for screen capturing your training videos. Welcome to the eLearning Simplified YouTube channel. My name is Johnny Havey. I'm one of the co-founders of eLearning Partners, the organization that created the eLearning Simplified YouTube channel. The purpose of this channel is to simplify e-learning for you so you can focus on creating remarkable value for your learners. So let's jump in. What is the best screen capture software for your training videos? Here it is. Loom.com. We have 5 main reasons why we believe Loom is the best screen capture software for your training videos. Let's start with number 1. Number 1, you can get Loom for free. You can start recording videos with Loom for free. Really cool. You can actually download it here. And then what you'll do is sign up with Google, Slack, Apple, with an SSO, or just create a free account with your email. So I'll show you, I'll log in a sec. But let's look at what the pricing options are so that you can see how the free plan fits into the landscape of what Loom offers. So the starter plan. We have a lot of clients who are just using the starter plan. And here's why. You can record up to 25 videos using the starter plan. And each of those videos can be 5 minutes long. So you can actually create an entire e-learning program or an entire online course with the free version of Loom. And then you can test out that content with your learners before you actually decide to purchase any Loom subscription. But you can see here, the cool thing is you have screen recording. You're also going to have a bubble in the bottom of your screen that can have your face on it. I'm actually hiding that right now. I'm actually using Loom right now, and that's what's capturing my screen over here. The next thing is you have viewer insights, which means you're going to be able to capture data about how people are interacting with the videos that you record with Loom. You have instant editing. You can have a team workspace and privacy controls. So all these different aspects are included in the free version. Now, the cool thing is once you decide that, okay, I've shot my 25 videos and now I want to shoot more, and I actually want to be able to shoot them that are a little longer, up to 10 minutes or so, because remember, you're trying to keep it micro. Then you can upgrade, and the cool thing is, it's very inexpensive. When you upgrade, you're looking at only paying, I think, up to $10 a month if you just do a monthly subscription with Loom. You just pay $10 a month. You get unlimited creators in your program, unlimited videos, unlimited recording length, and then you get all these additional pieces where they're going to do transcriptions and closed captions for you. Closed captioning is a huge thing in the space. You're going to get filler word removal, custom branding, engagement insights, and you're going to be able to embed links in video, etc. You can do all these things. So let's dive into the platform itself. Like we said, the number 1 reason why Loom is our favorite screen capture software is because it allows you to get started for free, and you actually build a whole program for free. After that, it is extremely inexpensive. A lot of these other screen capture softwares are going to charge you up front hundreds of dollars for a year subscription. So it's a lot larger entry cost to use them. The second reason why Loom is the best screen capture software for training videos is because of its ease of use. What does that mean? That means that Loom has both a Chrome extension and a desktop app. So if you're a Chrome user, well, you're in luck because you're going to download a Chrome extension. It's going to live right here. And that is going to allow you to easily record whenever you want. So you can literally hit the Chrome extension. I'm not going to hit it right now because if I hit it, it's going to stop this recording. But you're going to hit the extension and literally press start record and pick which screen that you have open that you want to record. It's as easy as that. If you have the desktop app, you're going to be able to do a similar thing. In your toolbar, you're going to pick the app, open it up, and you'll be able to record. I can't show you too much of that right now because if I do, it's going to stop this recording because I am building this video with Loom. So here you go. You can download the extension here. It says it's currently installed for me, and you can download the desktop app here. So the third reason is because when you have a Loom video, when it completes recording, it automatically uploads into the Loom cloud. So what does this mean? This means that instead of having to take a video that you've recorded and uploading it to Vimeo or YouTube or Google Drive or Dropbox or any of these other softwares to host a video to actually share with your learners or just to store so you can edit it later, it automatically uploads the video directly to Loom. And what this allows you to do is actually use Loom as a form of an LMS or a learning management system, where you can actually take all the videos that you're recording, they automatically upload to Loom, and you can share the links with your learners, and you can actually create folders and then move videos into a folder. So we have this test course folder that we already put this video into. Here, I'll show you how you create folders. So if I go back to my home library here, have all these random videos, I'm going to go click on folder and click on new folder, new private folder. Then here is the folder right here. I can go test course 2, boom. And then all I have to do now is go to my home library here, and I can take any video and I can move it. So I can take this video and I'm going to go move to this test course 2. And now it lives in test course 2. So every video that you create on the specific course topic, you can put into that folder and then give access to that folder to your learners after they purchase your course. Or if you're training internal teams, just give your internal teams access to that folder. So really cool. That's the third reason why we believe Loom is the best screen capture software for training video. The fourth reason, you can actually edit your videos in Loom. So instead of having to take your videos that you're recording and uploading them to another software, you can just click on this trim video button and trim off the ends of your video. Usually the beginning and the end you're going to want to trim off because the beginning is going to be some notes about editing, and maybe you're syncing it up with another camera like we're doing, and that's why we can project it on our screen behind me. But you're going to want to cut the front and the back off the video. You can also make edits to other parts of the video in between. And you can change some video preferences. If you're paying for Loom, so if you pay for that $10 or $8 a month intro package that you're actually paying for, you can auto transcribe and closed caption the videos directly in Loom as well. So you don't have to worry about another software or paying another company like rev.com for those closed captioning needs. So that's number 4, is you can edit your videos in Loom. And number 5 has to do with sharing. So you can easily copy the link. So really what you've done is you can be going on, doing things throughout your day, doing tasks on your computer, and then all of a sudden you're like, oh, I want to share this with my learners. Or this would be a great thing for me to add to my course. You hit your extension, your Chrome extension, or that app that's downloaded on your computer. You start recording the video. Then you press stop when you're done. So you press the stop button down here once you're done recording the video. And then opens up into a screen where it's already uploaded into Loom, just like it's uploaded here. And then you can immediately just share that with your learners. Or you can add it to a folder and share that folder with your learners. But the cool thing is if I just copy that link and I start a new email here in Gmail and I paste the link in the Gmail, look, it automatically embeds the video into my Gmail. So I don't have to change the link name because the link is this really long strand of letters. It automatically embeds it in my Gmail. It has the name of the video that we gave in Loom. And it has a watch video button. And this name of the video is just based on what you gave it here. So you can name your videos whatever you want. And then another cool thing, a bonus piece that your learners can actually do as they're watching the video is they can play through the video and they can actually give you feedback if they like different sections of it. So they can be like, oh, I'm going to give this a thumbs up. I'm going to hit this emoji. All these different emojis they can hit as they're watching the video and they can comment on it, which is why you can really use Loom as a learning management system instead of having to purchase another software for that. To recap, the 5 reasons why we believe Loom is the best screen capture software for training videos are: you can get started for free. And then if you need more, or once you've tested your videos on your learners, then what you can do is upgrade, and it's very inexpensive, $8 to $10 a month. And then you have access to everything unlimited. Number 2, you can easily use it. So Chrome extension or app on your computer, you can easily start and edit and deliver videos extremely efficiently. Number 3, you don't need a third-party software to store your videos. And if you want to get really creative, you actually don't need an LMS to deliver your video content to your learners because Loom hosts it for you. You can build out folders, share those folders with your learners. Pretty cool. Number 4, you can actually edit your videos in Loom natively, so you don't have to use a third-party software. And then number 5, you can embed your videos in your Gmail extremely easily by copying and pasting that link. And if you're not using Gmail, that's fine. You can still copy that link. It will embed in some other email providers as well. But the cool thing is you can easily share these videos privately with your learners. So if you are unsure if you need Loom or not, it's all going to come back to, do your learners want to learn with a screen capture software? And how do they want the content to be delivered once the content is actually captured? And what we have for you to help you with that challenge to figure out if your learners want this or not is a free masterclass for you. In our free masterclass linked below this video in the description, you're going to get instant access to our step-by-step process of how to define who your learners are, define what they want, and then we're actually going to give you a step-by-step process of how to build your program so that all you have to do is focus on your learners. And by the end of the masterclass, you're going to know if Loom is the right delivery method for your learners or not. Hint, if you're showing computer processes to your learners, this is a very strong option. But we still recommend you take the free masterclass so you can confirm exactly what your learners want and need. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click on the bell so that you can get notified whenever we put out a new piece of content, and we'll see you in the next video.